Alright guys, so welcome back. Welcome back to the Operations Zone, OPS Zone. Alright, my name is Andre. This channel will be mostly doing some gaming, a little bit of gaming, product reviews, PC part reviews. If you take a look behind me, you see my potential build. I haven't started it yet, but it will be happening soon. Right now, I got a lot of parts I have been able to get my hands on. Just lately, my richest pickup was just the Ryzen 9 5900X. Where is that bad boy? It's like right here. 5950X. Sorry. So just pick this up. Hope you guys can see that. At the top of that, got some streamer cables. So hopefully I'll do a review on this soon for you guys. But yeah, this is my new YouTube channel. Again, welcome to those who are new here. Again, just join me for the ride. My idea for the channel is basically just being able to stream my game, do a little bit of gaming. At the moment, I don't really play too many games, especially via console. My Xbox stopped working. I sold my PlayStation. So reason because I don't really sit down on the TV no more and play games. I have other things to do in terms of family and kids and moving up and down a lot. So especially schoolwork. So I am back in school. So but I decided from school and family I want to do a YouTube channel. At the moment, this is my second YouTube channel. My first one is called the Skeet Zone. And you can always head over there, take a look. It's mainly about cooking and driving, drive-alongs. I love to cook, but that's another topic. So at the moment, I'm doing a new channel called TheOpsZone. Basically, again, computers, a little bit of gaming here, product reviews. Lately, I have, like I showed you, two products I just picked up. I also have the EVGA 3070 and a 3090. So those are coming. I think I posted a box opening, unboxing. Sorry, an unboxing of the 3090. It's already online. Check it out. And prior to that was the Be Quiet Dark Power Pro, I believe it was 1200 watts. So all those I have so far to make a beast of a PC, and gaming will be coming on that. I believe at the moment I only have two particular games I'm really interested in right now. Is the Division.
And it's hard knowing that you belong here, that your purpose lies amongst all this pain. But someone's gotta be there to pick it up, to push back, put the first piece back together, put us all back together.
Die-hard fan since day one. Alright, the Division. At the top of that, my next best game will be the Flight Simulator. As of right now, those are two main games I've got my mind set to. But I'm not touching those games until my PC is up and running. Right now, I'm looking at a monitor to get my gaming up to par and the streaming and editing. I've been doing a lot of editing on my rig. So hopefully you guys will enjoy, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I even got a new ring light, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that ring in my eyeballs, but yeah, I did a little bit of investment for you guys to make better content for everybody here. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But right now I'm still using the stock lens, so it's not really catching my everything. Yeah, that right never come closer. It's cut off my beard. I hate that. But anyway, we'll get to that point. What else? So so this build behind me, I'm going to record everything from me unboxing it, unbox all the components, as well as building it. So all that's going to be on this channel. Okay, so if you guys are very interested in seeing this build, just subscribe. If you're interested on unboxing new computer components, let me know. Subscribe. Any questions, leave a comments down below. I got you. But just come along with me for the ride. You guys won't be disappointed. I have the highest end components you could think of as actually for those who are having a hard time. I know it sucks, I get it. I was lucky enough to get my hands on them, so I do have them at hand. If you guys are interested to see what it was all, subscribe. Come on down. But I have a journey for this PC rig. Not only that, I also have my two other kids, my son and my daughter, the oldest ones. So I was lucky enough to pick up two Ryzens, 2 7s. So these two are for my kids' PCs. Eventually I'll get around to that. But first I'm gonna build my PC, right? And then once it's up and running, maybe a few steps ahead, I'll get those up and running too. Just gotta find a perfect case for both of them. Especially my son, he's been really bothering me in building his PC. So I will put all that on this channel. All right. If you guys have sorry about that. If you guys are a Division fan, y'all know what that is. So anyway, just let me know. All that's gonna be up on my channel. PC building. As I go further into this channel, computer builds, I'm also learning as I go. So yeah. Welcome to the Operation Zone. The OpsZone. Peace, guys.